Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Facebook lead to your Google Sheet form so that you can easily access your Facebook lead on your Google Sheet. The reason why you have to do this is that when you are running a Facebook lead ad campaign on Facebook, one of the problems you will face is that when you come to the Facebook page to access the lead, let me just show you a sample so that you can understand. You have to go to the business suite. From the business suite, you go to the lead center, and the lead, any lead that was submitted, it will show on the lead center. But the problem with the lead center is that after some days, usually 90 days, all the leads will disappear. You won't have access to them again. Secondly, for you to be able to access the lead, you have to only log into a computer. You cannot use a phone to access it. Then another thing is that even when you log into a computer, to access a lead, you have to click on that lead and the information will show on the right side. So sometimes some of the leads, you cannot access all of them at once. You have to be accessing one at a time. However, if it is on your Google Sheet, you can easily access it at once, all of them at once. Okay, so it's very, very easy to manage. So in order to do that, I will first advise you to come to your Google account and then click on the Google apps, go to your Google Drive. So when you get to your Google Drive, then you click on the plus, then you click on Google Sheet. The untitled spreadsheet, you have to give it a title. So for example, I want to give it visa/work permit form. Okay, so you name it. Then after you name it, you have to come here and then you name the fields. Okay, so example, you put the name, email, phone number, and then other necessary information you want on the form. So for example, if you come back to the form, I'm asking of email, full name, phone number, date of birth, gender, and then all that. So you make sure that you enter all of that information that you will want to receive from the form here. So you make sure you fill all the necessary columns that you want to receive the data. Then you come to a new tab and type appyway.ai. But there are several softwares for doing this, but some of them are paid. They are paid options. This one is a free option. That's why I'm asking you to use this. But if you want others that you think they are paid, then you can afford it, fine. The example is Zapier. This one is free. So I'm signing in. So you have to sign in. So I'm clicking on continue with Google. Okay, so I'll click on the one I want. Click on continue. Okay, so I've just logged in. So when you log in, for example, if you come to my apps, when you click on my apps, you will see Facebook and then you see Google Sheet. So I'm starting with Facebook. So I'll click on it. So with the Facebook, it will say connect. So I'll click on connect. Connect. So say connect to. This is the account I'm already logged in. So if you are not logged into Facebook, you have to make sure you log into Facebook. So you click on continue. Okay, so that one has connected. So I have to come back to my apps again, and then also connect the Google Sheet. So I have to click on connect. So it will ask me to select the account. So I'm selecting this. Continue. Then I have to just grant the permission. Good. So the two are all connected now. So what I have to do now is to go to my ways. So create a way. So click on the plus, create a way. So we have to set up a trigger. So the trigger here is what? Facebook leads. We want that when there is a new Facebook lead, so they will say choose an action. So the action that we want is what? New lead. We want that when there's a new Facebook lead, it will be recorded in the Google Sheet. Then select the page. I've selected it. Select the form. So this is the form. If you don't know the form, just go back to when you were creating the ad campaign here. So if you don't know how to create a form, I will leave a link in the description. I did a video earlier on how to run a Google ad campaign. So I will leave that link. You can follow it to create a Google a Facebook form when you are running lead ad campaign. Okay. Then if you already have the form created and you don't know the name, just come here and check. You see it there. Okay. So that is done. So they are asking me to update. So I'll have to now click on update available fields. Okay. So currently it's saying update available for no data. So it's because I haven't filled a sample form. So let me fill a form, then we see how it will be. So you come and then click on what? Facebook lead testing tool. Then go to this link. So it says no form available. So click on it, and then this is the page. If you select the right page, it will show that it will indicate the right form. So I'll click on create lead. Yeah, so a test lead has been created. So you come back here, then click on update available fields. Good. So the fields have been all the fields that are on the form have appeared. Okay. You come to the top and also click on the action, and then choose Google Sheet, because that's where we want to receive the results. So from there, you choose action. So we want that anytime there is a lead that is failed on the Facebook, it will create a spreadsheet rule. So you click on this, and then they will ask us to test, but for now don't test. Come and click on update available fields. Then you'll be asked to indicate the spreadsheet. So you come and click on select spreadsheet. Then the one you created here, that's the name that is here, you select it here. So it's this one. Then you also be asked to select the worksheet. The worksheet, the spreadsheet has only one sheet, so you just choose the sheet 1. Then now these are the available options. Okay, so you now come and click on name. You click on the plus, then choose you see these are the options. You choose full name, then you come and click on the email, then you select email here, then you click on phone number, then you select phone number, then you click on date of birth, then you select date of birth, then you click on the gender, then you select the gender, then you click on the occupation, then you select what is your occupation, then you click on funds, then you select how much total funds have you set aside. So these are all the available fields on the Facebook form that was created. Then you go to passport, then you select, do you have a valid traveling passport? Yeah, so those are the available fields. In fact, there is one other available field, but sometimes when the space is not enough, some of them may not show. So that's why you should also limit the number of items you may put on the form. Okay, so all these are the necessary information that are on the Facebook form. Okay, so when you are done with that, you come up here and click on test and then click on activate. Okay, then when that is done, so now you see that it is turned on, so it means that you've connected the two successfully. In order to test and know whether it is working or not, so you have to come and create a test lead. So you come here, see I already submitted a lead earlier, so I'm going to delete that, and then I'm creating a sample lead again. So I just click on create lead. Then before I continue, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. We do digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. And if you want us to help you get excellent results, we will do that for you. We also do web development. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video to contact us for any of those services you may be interested. But I assure you, we will give you an excellent service, and we can even be on Zoom to help you do whatever, any of those options that you may need. Okay, so I've created a lead. I'm just coming to this place. So as you can see, the sample lead I've just created has just shown here. So that's why I say test lead. There's all of them. That is the test lead I've just created. So it is working properly. So when anyone fills the form on Facebook, we don't just have to come to this place, the business suite alone per se, but we can just come to this form and then access it. You can access it on the phone, on the computer, and anywhere we are. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any problem, we'll follow up to help you. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.